On a bright Sunday morning, Jay looked outside his window. The sun was shining, and the garden looked beautiful. Jay smiled and walked toward the door. At the door, Jay met his dad. Dad opened the door, and they went outside together, holding hands. In the garden, Jay looked around excitedly. "Dad, what are we going to do today?" he asked. Dad smiled and knelt down beside Jay. "We are going to work in the garden," he said. They touched the soil together. "The soil must be soft," Dad explained, "so plants can grow strong and healthy." Jay carefully placed tiny seeds into the soil. Dad kept the tools aside and watched proudly. Then, Jay picked up the watering can. He gently watered the seeds while Dad smiled at him. After their work, Jay and his dad rested on the grass. The warm sun shined over them, and they felt happy and relaxed. At the end of the day, they sat together in the garden. Jay gave a big thumbs up and smiled. Dad looked at Jay with pride. "That's how gardens grow," he said. And Jay learned that caring, patience, and spending time together help everything grow.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.